Hello everyone, I'm Aylin. Just like every Thursday, we are here again this week with a new topic, which is fire detection in libraries. So as you know, libraries are high-risk buildings in terms of fire due to their historical artifacts, rare publications, archival documents, and also higher user traffic. So even the smallest fire in these areas can lead not only to material losses but also the destruction of cultural heritage and also accumulated knowledge, irreplaceable artifacts, and therefore early detection of fire, rapid intervention, and effective management of safe evacuation processes are of paramount importance in libraries. So modern fire detection systems ensure human safety and contribute to the preservation of valuable collections by detecting fire signs such as smoke, temperature, or flames at an early stage. So, thanks to these sensitive detection technologies and addressable fire alarm systems, a potential danger can be identified quickly, and necessary precautions can be taken without a delay. So, this presentation will address fire risks in libraries and the importance of fire detection systems, and also the technologies used and the considerations to be taken in proper system design. So first of all, systems that are using in libraries. So as you see, there are optical smoke detectors, and this is the most commonly used detector. So it is using in bookshelves, reading rooms, archive areas, and the other one is aspirating smoke detection system. So it is a much more sensitive detection system, so it is preferred especially in areas containing very valuable archives, so such as rare book rooms, archive storage areas, and historical collection areas. So in detail, one of the most important considerations when designing a fire detection system in libraries is selecting the correct detector to suit the environmental conditions. This is because each area has a different physical structure and purpose of use. Also, air circulation, dust level, and fire load is different. Also, incorrectly selected detectors can lead to delayed detection, also false alarms, or inadequate system operation maybe. Therefore, a detailed risk analysis of the environment should be conducted when selecting the detector. So the recommended detector types for libraries refers to detector type, and for optical smoke detector is in common areas. Also, aspirating smoke detector provides very sensitive early detection. Or the temperature detector is safe in dusty and technical areas. Or multi-sensor detector performs smoke and temperature analysis at the same time together. Or the other type is duct type detector. It is used in HVAC systems. So, aspirating smoke detection system usage in libraries is preferred. It's kind of usual. So libraries are fire sensitive structures due to the high volume of flammable paper, valuable archival documents, and also cultural artifacts that need preservation. So even a small amount of smoke in these areas can cause significant losses. Therefore, early fire detection is of paramount importance. Also, active air sampling smoke detection systems So in other words, aspirating smoke detection systems are one of the most advanced early warning solutions. So these systems continuously sampling the ambient air and detects the microscopic smoke particles, even if the smallest one, and providing warnings before a fire occurs. So what is it? What is aspirating smoke detection system? So in these systems, ambient air is continuously drawn through a special pipe network and analyzed by high sensitivity laser sensor detectors. So the system, first of all, actively draws the ambient air, and analyzes the particles, the air particles, even if the smallest one, the smoke particle, detected as early as possible in this case, and also detects very low levels of smoke and generates an early alarm. So it is also defined as a very early warning system. So why is it preferred in libraries? So it provides, first of all, the very early detection, also protects valuable works, and the third one is effective in areas with high ceilings. So this detector placement is as soon. So first of all, the smoke detector placement, let's see it. So the maximum detection radius for a simple smoke detector is 6.2 meters. For a square detector array in an open area, the detectors can be a maximum of 8.8 meters apart from each other, and a maximum of 4.4 meters away from a wall or large obstacles. So in corridors not exceeding the 2 meters in width, only points close to the center line of the corridor need to be considered, and accordingly, if smoke detectors are placed at 12.4 meter intervals, the distance to the wall should be a maximum of 6.2 meters. So if the protected area has a sloping ceiling for detectors at or near the top, the horizontal distances given that the increased by 1% for each degree of slope, and up to maximum of 25%. For air sampling smoke detectors, the sampling holes are considered the equivalent to the point type detectors, simple smoke detectors. So, or the carbon monoxide fire detectors should be placed according to the recommendations given for the smoke detectors. So yes, here is the aspirating smoke detectors placement in a single piping design. We are placing it like this, and it is maximum of 150 meters for this single piping design. Or we have the U-type piping. We have this shape. One pipe is here, one pipe is here, and it is like a U shape. And this is maximum of 250 meters, 125 meters here, and 125 meters the other. So the third one is 2U type piping design. It is the same with the U type, but there are 4 single pipes here, and it is maximum of 400 meters. Each of them is 100 meter. So, in conclusion, the use of aspirating smoke detection systems in libraries is one of the most effective solutions for protecting both human safety and also cultural heritage by enabling the very early detection of fire. And these systems offer significantly higher protection performance compared to the conventional smoke detectors or point type smoke detectors, especially in the archives and valuable artifact areas. So that's all for today. Thanks for your participation. We will meet again at Thursday at 11 a.m. See you.